By 2025, AI can already diagnose over 90% of common illnesses as accurately as top doctors. From scanning X-rays in seconds to detecting diseases before symptoms appear, the question is no longer if AI can help in healthcare. It's whether it might replace your next doctor entirely. Artificial intelligence is moving into medicine faster than most of us realize. What once took years of study and years of practice, AI can now process in milliseconds. But is this the dawn of a medical revolution or the start of a dangerous dependency? For many patients, the thought of AI diagnosing them instead of a human feels unsettling. We can't really see. The start of a medical revolution can remain. There's the fear of errors. What if a machine misinterprets symptoms? There's the fear of losing the human touch, the empathy, the reassurance, the trust built with a real doctor. And for medical professionals, there's an even bigger fear: job security. If AI becomes faster, cheaper, and more accurate, will hospitals still need as many doctors? The answer isn't simple. Because while AI is brilliant at spotting patterns, it doesn't understand us the way a human can. Already, AI is quietly transforming healthcare behind the scenes. It reads thousands of MRI scans in minutes, flagging tiny anomalies that human eyes might miss. It predicts patient risks, like heart attacks, weeks before they happen. It powers chatbots that answer medical questions at 3 a.m. when your doctor is asleep. And in operating rooms, robotic assistants guided by AI help surgeons achieve precision beyond human steadiness. And let's say that the economy will learn better and better. Then the task of learning and stopping and seeking in favor of everything. But here's the key. In most cases, AI doesn't replace doctors, it supports them. Doctors still interpret the results, make final decisions, and provide the emotional connection that no algorithm can replicate. Encroached, most of the public suite police powered pride and self-detail and paid several prices in step 2. The reality is this: AI is a tool, not a takeover. Think of it like a co-pilot in the cockpit. The AI manages data, calculations, and repetitive tasks, so the doctor can focus on what humans do best: understanding the patient as a whole person. In fact, studies show that the most accurate diagnoses happen when humans and AI work together, combining intuition with computational power. So, instead of fearing AI, perhaps we should fear not using it. AI in healthcare isn't about replacing doctors. It's about giving them superpowers, sharper vision, faster analysis, and more time for patients. The future of medicine might not be man or machine, but man and machine. So, would you trust an AI with your next diagnosis? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them. And if you want to see how AI is changing jobs beyond medicine, check out my next video here. 4.